You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabulary as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are going to be slightly different ways depending on the language and the origin of the person. In English, it's generally said as papa, papa, with a stress more on the second syllable. Now, if you're curious to hear how it's said in French, papa, papa. There's no stress on any particular syllable in French, while in Spanish it's papa, papa, with a clear stress on the second syllable, papa. In English, papa is how it's generally said. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.